This is for Year 11 methods. We're going to look at a question posted by a student. So we're trying to find a rule for this sine graph. Okay, in general, the normal sine graph looks something like this. Okay, and it goes from 0 to 2 pi. Now, obviously, this sine graph has undergone some transformations. It's gone a dilation factor from the x-axis, a dilation factor from the y-axis, a left-right shift, and an up-down shift. Okay, so let's work out what our a value is. That's the amplitude, remember? Okay, so we need to work out what happens to the graph, like how far it has it deviate from the mean. So if I draw a line here, I can see that from the median value to the top and the median value to the bottom, we need to find what that range is. Okay, so it's from 2 to -10. So the length overall is 12. Okay, meaning that between here and here must be 6, between there and down there must be 6. So the amplitude A, amplitudes must equal 6, because from the mean to the max, mean to the minimum, it's 6 on both sides. So the amplitude 6. So A equals 6. We also need to find out what our C value is. Our C value is the up-down shift. Okay, so we can see that our sine graph would be normally in the 0 position for the median value. Okay, but now it's at 2 minus 6. It's at -4 at the moment. So we know that the graph has been shifted down -4. So C equals -4. We need to find our left-right shift, because originally, again, it's at 0. Now it's at -pi. So the graph has been shifted pi units this way. Okay, or pi units to the left. Okay, so in order to shift the graph left, the inside must be the opposite sign. So it must be plus e. So e must equal pi. And our last thing we need to work out is the period. We can see the period is the value in which the graph repeats. That's one whole period. Well, that's one whole cycle. So the period it takes up for one of the cycles is from -pi to 2 pi. So overall that length is 3 pi. Okay, so 2 pi on n, the period is given by 2 pi on n, equals 3. Okay, so if I solve for n, I know that n equals, I just swap these two values, so 2 pi on 3. It's 2 pi on 3. So n equals 2 pi on 3. So as long as you systematically work out these transformations, you can easily work out what a, n, e, and c equal to. Hope this helps.